have gathered here for a very important occasion. The occasion is about taking preemptive measure, taking precautionary measures to curtail the entry of a very highly pathogenic avian flu virus in Zamfara state. We have received information from various sources across the neighboring states of the outbreak of this avian flu, which is highly pathogenic. It also affects humans, humans as well. And we also have similar information from Niger Republic. And because of that, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, Dr. Bello Muhammad Matawalli, decided to take a precautionary measure to disinfect all the birds markets and the poultry farms across the state. So this afternoon we have gathered here for a flag-off ceremony or flagging off of this event in Gusau, the Central Market, at the Lab Birds Market. Here with me, I have the Commissioner of Information. I also have the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Forestry and Livestock Development, and the SA to the Governor for Market Development. And my directors, who are the specialist subject matters in that regard, who are going to supervise the disinfection of all these live birds that are located in various markets across the state. For almost 2 or 3 weeks, there has been a lot of jingles sponsored by the ministry going on various radio television stations in the state, informing the public of the dangers of having their birds been infected by this very deadly virus. We have also taken a lot of measures to inform the public on how to handle live birds, especially those whose business is having to do with these live birds every day. These live birds have been informed by the specialists that when they are properly cooked or roasted or fried, they are okay for consumption. But the problem is those people who are handling them when they're alive or when they are raw. This is why the ministry took a lot of measures to inform the public across the state. So this is what we've been doing for almost 2 or 3 weeks back. We have done a lot of sensitization, not only to the markets, but also to these entry points. The entry points are both national and international. You know, Zamfara State has borders with other states, as well as Niger Republic. So a lot has been done to sensitize all those birds that have been bringing into Zamfara State for a possible quarantine services. And of course, the ministry is on top of that activity by now. The virus is zoonotic in nature. It means it can affect human beings. So His Excellency do not have limit to what he can do as far as the health of the populace of Zamfara is concerned. So we're doing everything possible. If the resources are finished, we'll go back and inform him, and he is going to give us more reimbursement, inshallah.
I have directed all the media organizations in the state, including privates, federal and state, to engage into the sensitization exercise for this event and to liaise with the Ministry of Livestock to ensure that things are done, people are aware, people are given the protective advice so that we save lives. Well, very encouraging because many people have been calling to ask questions. When I went to the Ministry for Foreign Affairs, I met a lot of people having to do with the livestock business, asking questions and giving guidelines on how to protect themselves and protect their animals and livestock so that together we save human lives. To be more cooperative to the Ministry of Forestry and Livestock Development, to also always ask what they can do and what they cannot do as regards to this sensitization and the exercise as a whole.